Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Metro Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL metrobankonline.co.uk. Once you do that, you'll be headed to their website and click on the login button at the top of the page. Then click on personal banking or business and commercial banking that you are trying to log into. I'm going to choose personal here. Once you do that, you'll then have to enter your information in order to log into your Metro Bank account. So start by entering your customer number or username. Once you enter your information, click on continue and you'll be headed to the further process where you'll need to enter your password. And once you enter your password, you'll be logged into your Metro Bank account. Or if you do not have an account, click on new to online banking register here button. Or if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on forgot customer number or username or forgot your password or security number. And once you fill in all your information, click on continue and you'll be logged into your Metro Bank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Metro Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.